Hey everyone! Want to make extra cash but don't feel like sitting in front of a computer? You're in the right place! Today, I'll show you 5 simple ways to make money without ever needing to open your laptop or touch a keyboard. Let's get started! Tip 1. Babysitting or pet sitting. First up, babysitting or pet sitting. This is a great way to earn cash without needing a computer. If you love kids or animals, offer your services to friends, family, or even neighbors. You can sign up with local apps or agencies or simply spread the word. It's flexible, and you get paid for spending time with the little ones or furry friends. Tip 2. Dog walking. Next, how about dog walking? If you're into fitness and love being outdoors, why not get paid to walk dogs? Many dog owners are happy to pay someone reliable to take their pets for a stroll. You can find clients through word of mouth or dog walking apps like Rover. Tip 3. Yard work or lawn care. Lawn care. You'd be surprised how many people are willing to pay for someone to mow their lawn or rake leaves. Grab a mower and get to work. Offer your services in your neighborhood or put up a flyer. It's simple, it's manual labor, but it's great money. Tip 4. Selling handmade crafts or goods. Sell handmade crafts or goods. If you're crafty, why not turn that hobby into cash? Whether it's knitting, candle making, or painting, there's a market for unique handmade items. You don't need to set up an online store. You can sell your creations at local markets, fairs, or pop-up events. Tip 5. Renting out your space. Last but not least, rent out your space. Do you have an empty parking spot, a spare room, or even just an unused garage? Platforms like Airbnb or your local community can help you rent out that extra space. It's a passive way to make money without lifting a finger, except for the initial setup. And that's a wrap. 5 simple ways to make extra cash without needing a computer. Whether it's babysitting, dog walking, lawn care, selling crafts, or renting out your space, you can start earning today. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy money-making tips. See you in the next video.